How to redeem IMVU gift cards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem IMVU gift card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, the website that you'll need to go to is this one right here. It's imvu.com/next/store/ppc. Now make sure that you're also logged in into your account. After you do that, you can simply scroll down here and right there you should see an option where you will be able to enter your redemption code. Type in your redemption code here, and after you just find your redemption code, it's located in the back of your gift card. To reveal, simply you'll have to scratch it off. Just type that in here and then tap on redeem. You'll also need to choose your country here. And after you do that, you will be able to redeem your gift card in IMVU. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.